In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a free $25 bonus from this website that you can withdraw directly to your bank account without any deposit required. And you can keep on doing this every single day at the comfort of your home. This particular bonus is available in all countries in the world. So whether you are from the United States, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and more, all you need is a smartphone, a strong internet connection, and this website to get free $25 every day. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to keep you updated on our future videos. Also hit that like button as it encourages our team to make more informative videos like this one. And without any further delay, let's get started. I will be leaving this link to the website in the description box below, and when you click on it, you will be brought to this page. Now, you'll start by filling basic information such as your first name, last name, and your email address. After filling your email address, the next step is to create and type in a unique username into this website. Once done, select your country of residence from the list of countries below. And as you can see, this website is available in almost all parts of the world. Now I have selected the country I currently reside in, and I will be filling my phone number. To do that, I need to first of all select my country code, which is +234. And while I type in my phone number, comment down your country of residence so that I can make more relevant videos for you and others in your country. To make this video as short as possible, I will pause the record and fill in other information. And when I'm done, I will resume the record, so stay tuned. Welcome back. I have filled out all the required information. Make sure to check that all the information provided are correct to avoid mistakes. And if everything is okay, tick the terms and conditions box below, followed by the box that confirms all informations are correct, before clicking sign up button at the bottom of your screen. And while it's processing my registration, hit that like button, as it encourages us to make more informative content like this one. Once your registration has been approved, you'll receive this notification. But it's not all done. We need to complete email verification. And as you can see right here, it says, go to your email and look out for an email verification from 𝗙𝗏𝗄𝗎. Let's head over to my email account to get this email address verified. On your email account, search for a new message from 𝗙𝗏𝗄𝗎 and click on it. But if you can't find the message, make sure to check your spam folder or maybe request for another message. After clicking the message, you'll find a confirm email button in the body of the message. Now click on it. You'll be redirected to Chrome for email verification. And while it's processing that, please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Now, my email address has been verified, and this is where it becomes juicy.
Yeah, boy.
Click the Go to Login button to redirect you to the login page. Now log in your credentials to get access to the backend of this website. Once your credentials are in place, click the Login button again and give it some seconds or minutes to load. On this interface, you will be prompted to activate two-step authentication. The process is simple. Just download any of these apps and connect it to this site using the code that will be displayed on the app. But I will be skipping this process because it's not what we will be discussing in this video. You can also skip the two-factor authentication by clicking this button right here. Make sure to read this brief warning before skipping the two-factor authentication. This is how your dashboard will look like after logging to your account. Make sure to stay until the end so that I can explain all the steps to get this bonus in details. Now, to get the free $25 withdrawable bonus, you need to compete with other Forex traders and win the competition, or at least be among the top 3 people that won the competition. The best part? These competitions are available on a daily basis. All you need to do is to register for the ongoing competition or the upcoming competition, which has an account size of $100,000. And when you win the competition, this website rewards you with credits, which can then be converted to real withdrawable money. And the rate of these credits is really high, so stay tuned until the end. These are the available competitions that you can register for free and trade them to win. Also, there are the paid competitions that you can deposit and then purchase. But we will be using the free ones to test our strategies and also make money while we do so. To register for an ongoing competition or an upcoming competition, simply click on the register button right here. You'll see a whole bunch of information right here, but don't worry, I will explain all of them, including the terms and conditions. This section is the timer at which the upcoming competition will begin. And when you scroll up, you will find other useful informations like the XP. Each time you join a competition, you will be rewarded with an amount of XP, but it's not withdrawable. When you scroll down, you'll find the prizes for each competition. And in today's competition, the first prize gets a 2.5k credit, the second prize gets a 1.5k credit, and finally the third prize gets a 1k credit. And if you're curious to know the rate of these credits, then stay tuned until the end of this video. Now, to join a competition, simply scroll up to the bottom of the page. You'll need to tick the Terms and Conditions box to agree to their terms and conditions before clicking on the Register button below. And when you pay close attention to the payment section, you'll notice we are paying 0 credit to join this competition, which is awesome. If your registration is successful, you'll receive a pop-up notification that your registration was successful. And for the rest of the unregistered competitions, you are going to follow the exact same procedures to register in all of the upcoming competitions. As you join more and more competitions, you will be credited with more and more XP to your balance. You can gain access to the leaderboard of each competition by clicking on the registered competition. And on this page, you can easily track your rank in the ongoing competition. Now, after joining the ongoing competition, the next thing is to trade it. And unlike other platform that uses MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 as their trading platform, this website uses a unique trading platform, which is the 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝐻 platform. And to gain access to it, you need to go back to the home page of this website. And when you are on the home page, you'll see an Access Platform button in white background. But don't click on it yet. You'll need a login details before you're able to log into your unique account. And luckily, this website automatically generates a unique login credentials for you to be able to access your account in the 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝐻 trading platform. Once you've copied your password, click on the Access Platform button to redirect you to 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝐻. While it's processing, join my Telegram channel using the link in the description box of this video. Now, in the login form of this website, you are to put the email address and password you copied from Bulrush into these boxes before clicking the signing button to log you into your account. Once in, you'll see a whole bunch of currency pairs and cryptocurrencies that you can trade with this bonus. And in the account section, you will be able to switch between active competition accounts. Now, as at the time I recorded this video, the market was closed, so I wasn't able to place a trade at that moment. But this is how the trading platform looks. You can also switch between the popular trading view or use their own platform. Now it's time to review the terms and conditions of each competition, so we would know what to avoid while trading the competition. To get access to the terms and conditions of each competition, click on the Rules button right here. You'll see all the informations of what to avoid during the competition. Starting with the first one, which states that you are only permitted to have a daily loss of 5%. The second terms and conditions states that the starting balance is set to $100,000. The third terms and conditions states that only one account per person. Registering using multiple email addresses could result in disqualification of all accounts. The fourth terms and conditions states that before a prize is issued, the winner must complete AML or KYC verification. The name on the account must match the name on the photo ID and proof of address. If it does not, then you will be forfeiting any prize. The fifth terms and conditions states that traders are not allowed to reverse copy trade another trader. If you are caught doing this, you may be removed from the competition and forfeit your prize. Finally, please note, 100 credits is equivalent to $1. So when you win a competition, you will be rewarded with the $25 cash prize, which can then be withdrawn to your bank account. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching to the end. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos. See you on our future video.